In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace in 2025. By the end, you'll have Stripe linked to your Squarespace store so you can securely accept credit and debit card payments. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the right Squarespace site and that you have the basic business details you'll need for Stripe, like your legal business name, address, and bank account information. Also, ensure your country is supported by Stripe and that your Squarespace plan includes commerce features. First, open your website's dashboard in Squarespace. This is where all your site settings live. If you manage more than one site, double-check you've selected the correct one so the connection applies to the right store. Next, head into your site settings area. If you see a search bar at the top of the settings panel, use it to quickly find what you need by typing Payments. This is the fastest way to jump straight to the right place, and it helps avoid digging through multiple menus. Open the Payments section. This is where Squarespace lets you connect payment providers like Stripe. You should see Stripe listed as an option with a button to connect. Click Connect for Stripe. Squarespace will open a secure Stripe window to start the authorization. This is a standard, trusted flow between the two platforms. In the Stripe window, enter the requested business details and continue. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in and choose the account you want to link. If you're new to Stripe, they'll guide you through their onboarding questions. Keep your information accurate and consistent with official records. It helps Stripe verify your account smoothly and prevents payout delays. When prompted, review the permissions and authorize the connection so Squarespace can process payments on your behalf. After authorization, you'll be sent back to Squarespace. Give the page a moment to update, and you should see Stripe marked as connected in the Payments section. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page to pull in the latest status. A few useful tips as you wrap up. Your customers won't see Stripe branding during checkout. It stays within your Squarespace design. You can manage payouts, refunds, and dispute settings directly in your Stripe dashboard, while product pricing and checkout settings remain in Squarespace. If you encounter an error during connection, confirm your country and business type are supported and that your site's location and currency are set correctly in Squarespace. That's it. Your Squarespace store is now connected to Stripe and ready to